In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets. Fix today here. Let's begin. Open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com, then sign into your Google account. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to calculate. Enter your values into the sheet. In one cell, type the part value you want to measure, such as an expense amount. In another cell, enter the total value, such as your overall budget or total income. Now click an empty cell where you want the percentage result to appear. Type an equal sign to begin creating a formula. Next, click the cell containing the part value. Type a / to represent division, then click the cell containing the total value. This creates a formula that divides the part by the total. Press enter on your keyboard to calculate the result. Google Sheets will display the answer as a decimal number. Click the cell containing the decimal result to select it. Look at the toolbar near the top of the page and click the % format button. This will instantly convert the decimal value into a percentage. If you don't see the % icon in the toolbar, keep the result cell selected, then click Format from the top menu. Hover over Number and select % from the list. The value will now be displayed as a percentage instead of a decimal. If you have additional rows of data to calculate, move your cursor to the small blue handle at the bottom right corner of the percentage cell. Click and drag it downward through the remaining rows. Google Sheets will automatically copy the formula and calculate the percentages for the rest of your data set. Your percentage calculations are now complete and will automatically update whenever the source values change. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.